All right, guys, so this week we're working on separating the garden. I know you guys have already done this, but we're going to do a review because this was earlier in the year. So we're still going to do these pages, okay? So you have a garden that looks like this. So one half of the garden is tomatoes, 1/4 of the garden is carrots, 1/8 of the garden is broccoli, and then 1/8 of the garden are yellow peppers. So remember to always look at the largest denominator, which is the smallest fraction, and remember you have to make them equal because right now the garden is not equal. So what I mean by that is you're going to take 1/8 because it's the largest denominator but the smallest fraction, and you're going to make the whole garden 1/8. So remember, you're looking for the largest denominator but the smallest fraction. And then you separate the whole garden that way. So now each section is 1/8. So the question on Community Garden Part 1 on page 80 of your work this week asks you how much of the garden is carrots and broccoli. So carrots, there's 1/8 and another 8. So there's 2/8 there. And then broccoli is 1/8 here. So if you add all the 8s together, 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 3/8. Okay, so that is your answer. Now, if you're looking for a shorter way to do this or just strictly mathematical way, you could do 1/4 plus 1/8. Now we know that when we add fractions, the denominators have to be the same. So I know first I look to see if the smallest number can evenly go into the largest denominator. Or you get what I'm saying, the smaller number, if that can go into the bigger number. And 4 goes into 8 2 times. So what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 4 times 2 equals 8, and then 1 times 2 equals 2. So 2/8 plus 1/8 again equals 3/8. Our answers match, but there's 2 different ways to do that. Okay, hope this was helpful.